birthday boy. The birthday of Eli. It's sakto. Pangasinan Day. No school for 1 week na. Yan. Immediate TV. Ayos. Sleeping. Eli's eating. Oh, so big. Mas maganda ay maliit ito. Pero pag ginangin ito, malaki. Hoy ma'am! Ano, tama na! Balik mo! Ayan, ganyan muna. Sige, baba mo yan para bumaba. About the birthday boy. You don't know that? Let's that's the mountain. Baggy. Okay. Hi, birthday boy.
Look, so many flies.
Yeah, a lot of flies lang. Are you happy?
Of course.
Huh?
Of course.
Hi.
Hi.
Tayo tapos mag-picture-picture pataas na tayo.
Para alam na natin.
Ilay dito. Dito.
Di tulad ng ulap na kusang lumilisan. Di tulad ng alon sa may dalampasigan. Ang pag-ibig ko'y di panandalian, di panandalian. Walang pagtutunan. Kay kalungan sa lahat ng bulok.
Paano ko lang yun, oh. Oh, ang ganda, oh.
Sukal man
Sea of clouds.
ang
I'm surviving World War III. Ah! Gana. Wait lang.
Going to eat, ano to, shabu-shabu?
This is hot pot.
Hotpot.
ng bunga na kay bilis malipot.
Wow.
Pag-ibig ko'y binhing patunay
Dinner at ng bundok.
Dito ilusyon, di tulad ng dati, di tulad ng dati. Walang
Happy birthday, Lai.
pagduda dito sila tulad ng sulong saglit lang ay
Red rice.
Mamaya mag-marshmallow tayo.
Happy birthday, happy 10th birthday.
Away sila sa tutok ng
Bonfire.
ika'y kanlungan sa lahat ng gulo. Masukal
Oh, say good night na.
landas, di man
Good night, guys.
huwag kasing lalakbayin. Para lang sa ngiti ng simoy mo. Ano man ang dilim, pag-ibig sa'yo ang
Morning. Hey, good morning. Happy birthday.
ikaw ay simoy sa tuktok ng bundok. Ika'y kanlungan sa lahat ng gulo. Masukal man ang landas, di man tiyak huwag kasing lalakbayin. Para lang sa
Good morning.
ang simoy.
Ayaw, bibigyan. Sarap ka dito, 30 seconds. Go.
Do the beginner's cup.
Kape po tayo.
Kape po.
Gawan po namin kayo ng kape. Nice, sandali.
Painitan ko po kaya.
Generator? Ay, hindi niya po pinatay. Dan? Pakita mo dito, ah. High level to the Rubik. Second day. Oh, charge. Before going out. Oh, may kasama na kami.
Every glance a memory made. Sunset.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Aya.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. What's this? Wow. Legs. This is the only thing to eat. Lettuce. Wow. Bagong harvest. Mami, ito yung knife. Yes. Ikat mo lang. Pagkain na tayo. Ay, food mo lang ba?
Let's eat. Eat, then pack up. Oh, this is your harvest? Oh, fresh.
Kaya dito ka.
Danggit.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. You know you want me, so don't keep saying our hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart.
Oh, namig si Aya. I love you too.
It's up to you, and it's up to me.
Tuhan si Aya Ilay.
We get to be, so why don't we
2, 3, happy birthday! Yay! Happy birthday show! Ito lagi! Ano na kami? Thank you! Yes! 6 na yun! Ano? Para kang bonjing.
You think it's easy?
Yun naman na.
You think I don't want to you, but there are mountains and there are doors that we can't walk through. I know you're wondering why, because we're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all.
Jim!
Saan kay Aya?
No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the